Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special for you, the all-new 2025 Honda CR-V. This SUV has been completely redesigned, featuring a bold front fascia, sleek LED headlights, and a premium look that sets it apart. If you're a fan of Honda's reliable and stylish SUVs, this is a video you don't want to miss. Let's start with the first thing you notice, the front end. The CR-V now has a more aggressive stance, with a large, blacked-out grille that seamlessly blends with the sharp LED headlights. The Honda emblem sits proudly in the center, surrounded by a chrome strip that adds a touch of elegance. The LED daytime running lights have been redesigned to give the CR-V a futuristic look, making it stand out both during the day and at night. Moving lower, the front bumper has a sporty, sculpted design with silver accents that give it a rugged yet premium feel. Honda has done a great job balancing elegance and toughness in this design. Whether you're driving in the city or heading on an adventure, the CR-V looks ready for anything. The deep red paint on this model enhances the overall premium feel. Under the showroom lights, you can see how the glossy finish reflects beautifully, highlighting the sharp lines and contours of the body. Honda has clearly put a lot of thought into the aerodynamics and styling of this SUV. Now, let's take a closer look at the side profile. The CR-V maintains its strong character lines, flowing smoothly from the front to the rear. The side mirrors are body-colored and feature integrated turn signals for added visibility. The chrome window trim gives it an upscale touch, making it feel more luxurious than ever before. Stepping back, the CR-V's proportions are perfect for those who want a spacious SUV without feeling too bulky on the road. It has a commanding presence while still being easy to maneuver, which is one of the reasons why this model continues to be one of the best-selling SUVs in its class. Moving back to the showroom setting, the lighting here does a fantastic job of showcasing every detail of this SUV. The black and white tiled flooring contrasts beautifully with the red body, making every curve and design element pop. If you were considering upgrading to a modern, stylish, and reliable SUV, the 2025 Honda CR-V should definitely be on your list. So, what do you think of this new design? Do you love the bold front grille and sleek headlights? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car showcases. See you in the next video.